Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Amazing recipe. Today I finish up the curry chicken, you know what I mean? It's for the birthday party. But I know you guys said to me, say, cook the chicken, and I cook it and I video it and I say, you know, I know the fans will like this one. Thank you so much for staying tuned in with Chef Ricardo. And you know what I mean, leave your comments. And remember, yes, all of the fans them last night was saying yesterday, 24 hours ago, I said, yes, Chef Ricardo, yes, Chef Ricardo, yes, Chef Ricardo. I want you to cook the curry chicken. I'll be at that seat, yeah? Look how you look. A whole heap of curry chicken. Is a whole heap of that? My God, look at that, man. And look how me marinate, you can see how the season, look how it's seasoned, you can see the spring onion, the white onion, the garlic, the thyme, everything. And the beauty is, Chef Ricardo natural blending season in it. Look at man, oh my God, in this, guys, look at this. Look at the curry chicken. Alright, ready for business. No time to muck about. Look at this now. No, I said this man is a madman. No, I'm not a madman. Look on garlic. All of these garlic, spring onion, we're gonna use it in this. We're gonna bring a flavor to the curry chicken, which is gonna be amazing flavor. So let's cook it now, guys. Let's cook this curry chicken today. All right, we mean business. We mean business. I'm gonna cook this now. Nice and lovely. So big massive pot. The way the pot bigger than the stove. Look at this. Look at this. Clean and shine and nice. That's what you want. You understand? Make sure your pot everywhere is clean and nice. And the beauty is, I'm gonna pop a little bit of just a little pinch of olive oil. Then we're gonna put about 10 cloves of garlic and 2 spring onion. Then give it a little stir. Please don't do that at home because I'm a chef, I know what I'm doing. Yes, yes, yes. Then what we're gonna do now is put in the chicken. Just like this. Don't play with Chef Ricardo when we're cooking. What's my name? Chef Ricardo. When we're cooking, we doesn't play. Alright? I would like to make the fans happy. So that's why Chef Ricardo do all these things for the fans. But the beauty is, I want to get to the fans is to make you guys know that this is how you can cook a large portion of chicken at home. Do you understand what I mean? Look at that. More eat. Alright? Alright. We're gonna show you how to cook a large portion of chicken at home. Alright? So all the ingredients is in, chicken is in. All you need to do, cover it like this and leave it for it to keep sweat for another good 12 to 15 minutes. Keep stirring it in the meantime, guys, please. On a medium size heat at the moment. Alright, we're gonna show you how to cook a big pot of curry chicken in your kitchen at home for the family, for your son's birthday, for your daughter's birthday, for your daughter christening, for your daughter function, anything. This is where it goes. Look at that, beautiful. Yeah, it's looking good. So we're gonna keep stirring just like that. Curry chicken that cook up. Curry chicken that cook up. Ah, that's hot, man. Please don't do that, guys. Burn up myself. I have to go to work Monday, innit? Alright, don't do that here, please. That's very hot. Alright. Do you see exactly what's going on in the kitchen? Ah, man. Sweating its own juice. Looking good. Smell nice. Alright. Give it a couple more minutes. Yeah. Nice and lovely. This is some seasoning extra stuff that we're gonna put inside of the curry chicken, carrot, potato, and white onion. One large one both right here. So we're gonna pop up straight inside of the pot and make it cook down with it, with the chicken, bringing a lovely flavor towards the pot. Enjoy the recipe, guys. Nice and lovely, guys. Looking at the pot. Pot. Curry chicken looking lovely and nice, man. I tell you. The only thing is just because the curry I will use is not a bright curry. Them people that will cook for that doesn't like the bright curry, so I'm using the mild curry powder at the moment. So we're gonna put in carrot and spring onion, and this is the potato. Extra flavor to the pot. Alright. So we're just gonna allow this, make this cook down for a nice good 20 more minutes, 10 more minutes. Enjoy it. Why not? Tastes nice, but gonna add a little bit of chicken season. Not too much. And also, remember Chef Ricardo having one. Remember Chef Ricardo having one jerk sauce, hot pepper sauce. Gonna put 1, 2, 3. 3 night. Bring up the flavor, you know? It's curry chicken. Yeah. Give it a stir. Really nice. So guys, load up that cook down for a nice good 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, enjoy it. Yes. Hear the pot. Look at this. Amazing, guys. I don't know if you can see it going on right here, but things looking good. And that's exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about right now in the evening. Almost finished. Yeah, right now you can turn off this now, guys. Seriously, this is looking lovely. Nice. I'm going to turn off the stove because this is finished. We don't want to overcook it too much, but we want to have some gravy. Alright, so listen, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel and leave your comments and stay tuned with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. We got a lot more recipe. See you next time. Bye bye. Welcome back, guys. It's amazing. Anyway, as I said before, the fans then want me to cook that beautiful curry goat or mutton, you know what I mean, and I decided to do it today because, you know what I mean, we got a function and I'm showing how to marinate a large portion and how to cook it also. So if you like the ideas and the tips and the recipe, please write it below and subscribe and share it, and a friend tell a friend, and remember, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and Google Plus page. Thank you so much to tune in with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned from Chef Ricardo. Nice and lovely. Welcome back again, guys. You know what I mean? On the YouTube channel, a lot of the fans them was saying, Chef Ricardo, you need to cook that beautiful curry mutton or curry goat. And today we're going to cook it. So stay tuned and step by step. Okay, this is the curry goat which we marinated 24 hours ago. As you can see, looking lovely and nice. We marinated with a lot of season, and one of the main season was Chef Ricardo natural blending season. But right over here we have extra garlic and some spring onion and some thyme, which we're going to also use in it. Okay, so guys, when you season up your curry goat or your mutton and you put it on for 24 hours, that's it. Second thing, make sure you got a little extra garlic, extra spring onion and some thyme. Okay, now what we're going to do now is go straight to the pot. This is gonna take probably about 120 minutes to cook, to get it soft and tender, because the mutton is really tough, so it takes long to cook. Okay, second thing what we're going to do now is to go straight in the pot. Look at this, nice big massive pot on the stove. A pinch, just a pinch of oil, not too much, and then 2, 4, 6, 8 cloves of garlic. And then spring onion and some fresh thyme. Alright, all of these ingredients is inside of the pot. Give the pot a shake. So basically what happened now, it roasts the garlic and you get a lovely flavor from the garlic, the spring onion and the thyme. Next, get your meat. Just like that. You notice there's a lot of mutton right here. Alright? So what we're going to do now is cook it for roughly 1 hour and 20 minutes. What I want to simply say to you guys, make sure just boil your kettle. Always have hot water to pour in it. So what we're going to do, we're going to do a slow cook at the moment. Slow cook means you're having a low heat, cover it just like this, and it will sweat and bring its own liquid. So that's what we're going to need. Then what we're going to do next again, we're going to put 6 more garlic on top of it like this. What the garlic will do is to help it cook a little bit more faster, because the garlic is going to make it get soft very quickly. Cover it like this and leave it for roughly about 10 minutes. Every 10 minutes you keep stirring it. Alright, to free up the meat. Enjoy it. Nice. So this is what you're going to do. Keep stirring it. Bring it up like this every 10 minutes or every 15 minutes. It doesn't have to be 10 minutes, you know. Give it a lovely stir like this. Lovely and nice. And then simple, cover it back and leave it there for another 15 to 10 minutes, alright? Lovely and nice. Look at this. What I want to simply say to you, I just pour a kettle of boiling water in it, as you can see. So we just want the mutton to get tender. When it get tender, we're gonna add some extra season and stuff to it. But as you can see, looking lovely so far and nice. So we're just gonna leave that to dry down and cook. And all you need to do, guys, when you're cooking mutton, yeah, is once the meat get tender, that's it. You just marinate, just put some extra season in it, and you're good to go. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically in the curry we're gonna put 1 large potato, white onion and a carrot. All of these ingredients gonna go straight inside of the pot and we're gonna cook it down now Look at the curry goat in the pot now. Nice and lovely, look at that. Beautiful. Give it a stir. This is something I want to check it because I had some more boiling water to it. Still want to cook some more. So by the time this water goes down, probably it will cook it. Alright? If not, I had some more. Let's try a piece of the meat. Not too bad. Almost there. Let's add the potato. And the carrot and the white onion. And give it a stir. Alright. Two things I want to say to you. When you're cooking your curry goat at home, please taste it and add your favorite seasoning you like to add to it. If you want to add a little pinch of salt, you can add. I don't add too much salt in mine because I also want to keep mine really natural and simple. But as you can see, it's still looking good and it still tastes good. So I don't need to add any salt to it. I just want to keep it this way because a lot of people doesn't like salt. So what we're going to do, we're just going to make it cook down and go down to gravy now. As you can see, looking lovely and nice. When you're cooking it, taste it and see if you need any more ingredients. You can add a little bit more season or a little bit of stock to it just to bring up the flavor. Alright? So enjoy it. And this is the curry mutton we're cooking today. So let's give that another 10 to 15 minutes and make it cook down in a medium size heat. Look at that, guys. Amazing recipe, eh? Really good. Give it a stir. Now this is finished. We don't need to cook this no more. Let's see what's going on right in the pot. I don't want to have any tough meat. See? This is cooked. Alright? So the beauty is that Chef Ricardo gonna put, look at it as tomato jerk sauce in it. This one. Just a little bit in it, just to bring up the flavor. Nice and lovely. Look at that. Beautiful and nice. So now this is finished. I'm gonna pour this up and make it. Welcome back at the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Yes, it's the same chef. We are keep cooking the same thing. That's why the people them love the cooking show. The fans them love it because Chef Ricardo keep cooking the same thing when I request it. So today I cook you curry goat. Remember I did a video how to marinate it and get it soaked before you cook it. When someone requests anything, the amount of requests I have on YouTube channel, guys, it is the same thing over and over. I want to show you, I want to how to learn how to cook this, how to do this, how to do that. I got it on my YouTube channel. I send them the link. They say do it again. So guys, if you have something, request it. I will do it again. Do it even the curry goat again. That's how Chef Ricardo work. I want to make all of the fans, them, everyone happy and have a wonderful time. So this time I show you how to cook the curry goat. We already show you how to marinate it and get it soaked over 24 hours. I'll put the link below. Subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, and it's the best recipe in this world. Curry goat in your kitchen from Chef Ricardo. Welcome back again with Chef Ricardo. It's amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen. But anyway, As I said before, I did show you how to marinate the curry goat over 24 hours ago. How to get it seasoned up and everything. Now we're gonna show you how to cook it. And someone said why I'm cooking the same thing every day. We're not cooking the same thing every day. We cook this now and then. Someone requests something and I got it on the YouTube channel, we will cook it again. That's how Chef Ricardo work. That's why it named a request channel and also a cooking show. So we cook back the same thing every day. If someone wants chicken tomorrow and they write it on the YouTube channel, we want chicken, we will cook it again. So guys, first thing, we're going to show you how to cook the curry goat after you marinate it. So what we want to simply say to you, I'm cutting up half of a white onion and I have a big massive pot on the stove, empty, no oil. Don't put any oil in the pot. Just put in the white onion just like that. Alright? You don't need to put no oil in the pot, guys. Lovely and nice. We got 3 cloves of garlic. As you can see, spring onion. And also a piece of a ginger. Look at that, man. Massive thing. And some fresh thyme. Just saute this off of the pot like this. Nice and lovely. So we're gonna get that lovely curry mutton and we're gonna pop it straight inside of it like this. Look at this. There's a lot of meat, guys. Oh. So what we do, we normally marinate it and after you marinate it, let's see what happens, guys. As I say, you don't need to put any season, any oil in the pot, sorry. So we're gonna show you how to cook this curry mutton today. Nice and lovely. So basically, after you do all of this, cover it and simple leave it for roughly 15 minutes. In 15 minutes time, boil a kettle of water and continue to put boiling water straight inside of this pot until the meat get tender and soft. Alright? Remember, guys, cook your curry goat then for 1 hour until it gets soft. Just keep adding boiling water until the meat gets soft. Alright? So in between, keep stirring it and keep adding boiling water. That's the best way to cook curry goat at home in your kitchen. Some people write, oh, chef, I cook too much, same thing all the time. We don't cook the same thing all the time. When someone requests something, we do cook it. Yeah, like how someone requests beef, roast beef. I got roast beef on my YouTube channel, but I will do it again. Here it is, curry goat, one more time. And if someone requests it tomorrow again, in a 3 weeks time, we'll put up another video. Guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Basically, we're going to add a little bit of ketchup also inside of it. The mom might say, that chef, you're a mad chef. Mad. You need to come to London to see your chef cook, man. Enjoy the recipe. We love you guys. Thank you so much. We're going to cook this for 1 hour until the meat get tender and soft. And you're going to love it. We're going to add some... We're gonna add also some more stuff inside of it, but anytime the meat cook, we will show you what we're gonna add inside of it. Some carrot and some more potato, a little bit more white onion. Give it more flavor. Yes! Cook it down until it get to gravy. You're gonna love this one. Enjoy the recipe, guys. You'll enjoy it. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team in the kitchen cooking again. Yes, 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 guys, look what's going on. Hear that? Hear that? I've been cooking this 1 hour now. Play now. Nah, play when it comes to cooking. I'm Chef Ricardo. Look at that. Jamaican curry goat. Look for the bone. The meat come off of the bone. The meat come off of the bone, guys. The meat come off of the bone. We need from. Alright, let's finish it up. Turn on the stove a little bit to 0. I'm gonna put in some carrot. I got about 4 carrots. That's 1. And look how I cut them. Remove the skin from the carrot. Some people that wash it still. Look at that. 2. Beautiful and nice. 3. You guys gonna love this salmon. I'm Chef Ricardo now when we are cook proper food. Alright, that's the carrot. This is potato. I'm gonna put at least that's what 4 medium-sized potato inside of it to give it some flavor. It's gonna be nice, man. I know the guys. I know that I said that chef can cook the same thing all the while, but that's what you think. Every day we cook something different. I understand why so much people love the show. Because we're cooking the same thing every day. Look at this curry goat, guys. This is amazing recipe. Look at that. Beautiful and nice. Tell your neighbor and tell your friend about Chef Ricardo. So that's the potato inside of it. What I might do, I might end up putting some more spring onion. That's some more heat on it. Spring onion. These are some white onion again. Little bit of coarse pepper. And also just a little bit of mutton season and give it a stir. Look at the curry goat. The curry goat just sexy and look nice. Look at that. Beautiful. So just leave that another good say 5 to 6 more minutes and make it cook down, alright? Another 10 minutes, I must say. 10 minutes. And then turn off your stove. 10 minutes time on a medium size heat. Come cook the potato and the carrot. Cook down nice and full of whole of flavor. Yeah, wrong. Me not even put the pepper in it. Alright. So red Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper, yeah? Straight inside of it. Let the flavor cook in it also. Alright? We don't want it burst in it, just want the flavor in it. So 10 minutes done and dusted. Yes, see there? This is a curry goat Chef Ricardo been cooking. Looking lovely and nice. Look at that. Beautiful. But the beauty we need to do is to take out this bad boy. This is a bad boy. We don't want it burst in another pot. If the pepper burst, it's going to make the whole thing just get hot. Yeah? We don't want to serve hot food. We want to serve a nice, lovely curry goat. So guys, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. This is the weight. It is finished now. And now we're just going to just simply pour it out in the serving container. And hopefully guys like the recipe. So as you can see, Jamaican curry goat, the best recipe in this world. And this was from Chef Ricardo. Look at that. Fantastic recipe. Beautiful and really nice. See that lovely sauce? Look at the sauce. Look at the gravy. A lot of people don't know that when Chef Ricardo cook, we don't play. We cook and make everyone happy. Alright? So guys, stay tuned, and that's why the show name Chef